कोई करता है then he gets addicted to it. Just the rush of it, the adrenaline, एक अलग ही उसमें thrill है. So that's the whole art and act of graffiti.
बंदर की नाक किसने फोड़ी? सच बता।
अब क्या बनाओगे?
Some people spend their lives chasing certainty. Others spend their lives chasing a feeling. For Arnab Sikdar, best known as Horus, that feeling lives on the streets. Because for him, the street has always been more than a canvas.
When I was a kid, I was introduced to a place called Artist Guild in Guwahati, जिसमें मतलब मेरे starting का जो artistic growth वहाँ से start हुआ था.
What started as an interest slowly became a way of life. One wall led to another. One city opened the door to the next. And somewhere along the way, graffiti stopped being something he did. It became who he was. Today, his murals transform ordinary walls into vivid depictions of surreal wildlife. Blending a deep fascination with nature and themes of environmental consciousness, his work invites people to pause, look closer, and rethink the relationship between cities and the natural world. But not every wall is ready for the conversation.
I did one artwork which was a little controversial because like I painted an owl or something. They actually kind of did a whitewash without asking the artist, which was really, very insulting for me as an artist. But we still worked around it. I converted the owl into an eagle.
Despite the challenges, there was something about graffiti that kept pulling Horus back.
Most form of art I always thought was graffiti. I think it was the most purest form of art because you are not expecting anything out of it.
But Horus's passion wasn't limited to graffiti. Beyond what many consider a rebellious form of art, he explored a wide range of visual mediums.
As a visual artist, I wanted to learn whatever art forms are available, from painting to even like 3D sculpting, illustrations, films, animation.
And while passion rarely pays the bills in the beginning, sometimes it opens doors you never imagined. Horus's work has been featured in some major projects, such as the critically acclaimed Indian film Tumbad, where he designed an iconic character, Hastar. He also created character sketches for the film Bokshi, among many other notable projects. Beyond films, Horus contributed to India's longest mural on the outer boundary wall of Tihar Jail in New Delhi. Spanning 968 meters, the mural features verses of a poem written by an inmate.
Eventually in 2012ish, when the Start India movement also started, like I did some work in Tihar Jail, which made me meet a lot of other like foreign artists and all, where I understood like it's a bigger concept out there, and I was really like inspired by them.
Even as street art found its way onto public projects and institutional walls, its place in our cities remained contested. Acceptance often depended on who was holding the paint can.
You can see people putting up posters and posters, politicians here and there. That's all fine. हमें ये चलता है. Like हमारे walls को ऐसे गंदे करते रहो, थूकते रहो, वो सब चलता है. But then again, कोई art करे तब लोगों को बहुत questions आ जाती हैं. क्यों कर रहे हो? क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो?
And the questions never stopped. Neither did he.
Most had their own stuff and moved on to other stuff, while I like really held on to it, and still am.
Most people scroll past stories like these. We don't. Plug TV dives into hidden cultures, real communities,
लोग बोलते हैं कि घर का मर्द कौन है, पर मैं घर की औरत ही हूँ और औरत से ही आगे बढ़ रही हूँ। मेरा मन करे तो इस ऑटो से भी नहीं, एरोप्लेन चलाने का मन करता है, मेट्रो चलाने का मन करता है। पहले तो लग रहा है कि मौका मिले तो मेट्रो का ट्रेन चलाऊं।
disappearing traditions,
Actually, Morung is a dormitory for the young male, actually, you know. So it's like an institution in the olden days where they come and learn the skills in many ways.
So this is not just a shelter, but it is all about our identity, our cultural heritage.
And voices you have probably never heard before.
मैं नहीं चाहता कि लोग मुझे इस चीज़ से जाने कि मैं क्या सह के बैठा हूँ. मेरे स्किल्स, मेरा टैलेंट, मेरा गे होने या मेरे ट्रॉमा से बहुत बढ़ के है.
From bustling city streets to hidden villages, from forgotten art forms to stories changing the world.
एक कारीगर बनने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है, कितना परिश्रम लगता है और कितना दुख कष्ट सहते हैं.
This is storytelling that feels real. Because we're all powered by stories. Raw, human, real. This is Plug TV.